What's good, everyone? This is Rico, aka Rico on the keys. I'm a platinum producer from Austria. I've worked with Ty Dolla $ign, Rich the Kid, Ski Mask, the Slump God, and many more. Today we're going to do a little breakdown of a beat I made. Also, I put the sample from the beat into the comment section for y'all to download, chop it, send it back to me, make something crazy with it. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so let's hop into the project. Let's start with this one. I use the Scorch plugin. I can definitely recommend that plugin. It has really dope, unique sounding presets in it and layered simple notes that sounds like this. Put on a EQ and that's it. So for the second melody, I used the Prophet V3. I used the blush response preset, and yeah, I just copy pasted the Scorch pattern into the Prophet one. That sounds like this. Hold on. I also put on a little bit of an echo boy, turned on the mix volume, EQ'd it, and also I put on the halftime and I lowered the volume, the overall volume to 21%. So together the two sounds are this. For the second part, I used again the Prophet V3. I have two layers here. The first one is this. I put on again Echo Boy, half-timed it and put on the EQ. And for the second sound, I used again the Prophet, the Blues Runner preset, super dope. And it sounds like this. Together. So after that, I rendered the two patterns by going on the master channel, click on record on this button, click on this one, click on disk recording, and then on render arm tracks to WAV files. So what it does is basically it just renders the whole master channel. I pitched it down 2 semitones and I reversed it. I put on an EQ to cut out the lows. I put on the Giovanni plugin. I also put on the little altar boy, EQ again. I also put on the fragments effect plugin. For the last, I put on the shaper box too. After that, I found a cool chop and I pitched it up 2 semitones. I reversed it again with the effects on it. So for the B part, simple bass. Also, I layered this lead. Also a cool trick is, if you don't know, like you can put on the glide mode. So it kind of glides up from the E to an octave up to the next E, and yeah, it just makes it really cool with this glide effect. So together it sounds like this. Again, I rendered the whole master channel. I pitched it up 2 semitones. So let's dive into the drums now. Snare pattern. .808. So hi-hats. Also, it's always a good idea to, not always, but most of the times I would say, to give it that extra bounce, to leave here and there an hi-hat, and just for that extra bounce. After that, I laid down hi-hat, an open hi-hat. I also layered another hi-hat. Some extra details like this laser effect. So everything together, it sounds like this. Alright, so that was the finished beat. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to download the sample in the comments. I'm gonna put it there. And yeah, chop the sample, send it back to me. I'm always looking for dope producers to work with. See you in the next video. Peace.